Welcome to Future Wheels, and today we're diving into something truly different. A luxury SUV that blends French artistry with next-generation technology. Meet the all-new DS No7, a bold evolution of the DS lineup that brings avant-garde design, a spectacular interior, and a wide range of electrified powertrains. The DS No7 doesn't just look like another SUV, it feels like a concept car brought to life. At the front, the design is instantly recognizable with DS's new lighting signature. You get the striking DS light blade elements paired with an illuminated grille, giving the SUV a futuristic and premium identity, especially at night. The proportions are elegant yet muscular. A strong shoulder line flows across the body, while the sculpted sides and extended waistline create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The two-tone styling, including a contrasting black roof and bonnet options, adds a touch of high-fashion design, something DS is known for. From the side, the longer body, now around 4.66 meters, gives the SUV a more commanding road presence while also improving cabin space. At the rear, the vertical LED lighting echoes the front design, creating a consistent and futuristic look. And thanks to its aerodynamic shape, including a sleek roofline and integrated spoiler, the No7 achieves impressive efficiency with a drag coefficient of around 0.26. Massive wheels up to 21 inches complete the look, giving this SUV a strong and premium stance on the road. Step inside, and this is where the DS No7 truly separates itself from the competition. The cabin is designed to feel more like a luxury lounge than a typical SUV. Inspired by high-end French craftsmanship, the interior focuses on materials, textures, and fine detailing, something rarely seen in this segment. You'll notice a strong emphasis on space and comfort. Thanks to the longer wheelbase, passengers get improved legroom, while larger windows and an expanded panoramic roof make the cabin feel more open and airy. The design philosophy is all about first-class travel, with features like massaging seats, advanced acoustic insulation, and a refined layout that prioritizes relaxation on long journeys. Tech-wise, the DS No7 brings a fully digital experience. A large central touchscreen, digital driver display, and head-up display keep everything within easy reach, while advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety and convenience. Every detail inside, from stitching to ambient lighting, reflects DS's focus on blending luxury with innovation. The DS No7 is designed for a changing automotive world, offering multiple powertrain options to suit different drivers. For those going fully electric, the No7 delivers impressive performance and range. The top long-range version can travel up to 740 kilometers on a single charge, making it one of the most capable electric SUVs in its class. Fast charging is equally impressive, with the battery going from 20% to 80% in just around 27 minutes, giving you added convenience on long trips. There are also multiple electric variants with power outputs ranging from around 230 horsepower to 350 horsepower, including all-wheel drive options for better performance. And for buyers not ready to go fully electric, DS is offering hybrid options as well, including a mild hybrid setup, ensuring flexibility in a rapidly evolving market. Despite its luxury focus, the DS No7 remains a practical SUV. It offers a generous boot capacity of up to around 560 liters, making it suitable for family use and long trips. The clever interior layout, folding rear seats, and improved door design make loading and daily usability much easier. And thanks to its balanced dimensions, it still remains manageable for city driving, while offering the space and comfort expected from a premium SUV. The DS No7 is more than just a replacement for the DS7, it's a statement of where the brand is heading. With its bold design, luxurious interior, and advanced electrified powertrains, this SUV aims to challenge the traditional premium players, but with a uniquely French twist. It's stylish, it's innovative, And most importantly, it's different. What do you think about the new DS No7? Would you pick this over a German luxury SUV? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Future Wheels for more next-generation car content.